I was driving my daughter's 2004 Camry XLE the other day, and I noticed, went to use the windshield washer, and the blades were not cleaning the windshield very well. So I went out, I got some RainX Expert Fit blades. The passenger side's a 19-inch, driver's side is a 24-inch. So let me see if I can take these off and replace them. Okay, it should just flip up. Normally, whoop, just comes right out, just like this. Okay, there we go. So this is going to come out just like this, just like that. Okay, nice. Let me get the 19-incher here. Okie dokie. So here's the thing. It's just going to go on, clip on just like that. That's it. And here the click, it's on there super tight, super solid. It's not going anywhere. Here's the 24-inch side. That's the driver's side. So I'm going to take this up, just flip it over a little bit, and what happens, this just pops right out, and there we go. All right, just like that. Here's the new one. We're just going to put it on like this. Click, it's on. There you go. And it is nice and tight. Okay, here I am inside. Let's test it out. Oh yeah, look, oh my gosh, that's fantastic. You can see perfectly both sides. Nice.